Yeah, I got it at like a local plant shop. Oh, sweet. I know. I was like, obviously. Who? Oh. Yeah, who? Who? Oh, man. I know someone else.
Look, there's a waterfall, buddy.
He missed the boat.
Oh, look. It's a rock. See the steam come out? See the steam come out, buddy? Alright, guys. Don't bump into other people. Pay attention to where you are. Stop bumping into people. Stand still. And watch it. Just mind where you are, okay?
You want to go look at the back of the I knew I would see that girl myself. I see that.
I gotta hold you since you're bumping into people. Can't go past my hand.
Look at the thunder! I think they're building a new, like, no, I don't think that. Like, far away from all the maybe can look at it, but I'm not sure.
Watch your feet.
Me? Okay. No, it's okay.
Alright, let's just give them a turn, okay? All good.
Our ship is going down. Ship is... Get away from me, bud. Bud, you're here. Captains don't like that.
Sorry, I didn't realize you were sitting down. No, where are you?
About to go... I need to rest my leg. I need to rest.
Here's my feet hurt after we just tried.
See that bridge? I don't know where that bridge goes.
Let's come down.
Alright, we just have to make a
Y'all can catch
photo.
me. I'll be downstairs.
Come back.
Just not be downstairs.
You going downstairs? Oh, that is looks like a roller coaster. That's what's in there. At least that's one of the things in there. So it's a roller coaster. Is it? I don't know. It's hard to tell. I don't know if that's construction or they're probably still working on it. Yeah, it looks like they're probably still working on it. And you see all the builders with their vests.
Right here.
Because we know that
Sit here.
I think they're still working on that, so after they're done,
Big Thunder. They're actually retracting the island. now. They completely put down all new track.
Oh, nice. So it was already originally there. They're just kind of like revamping,
They're
making it
completely
longer.
no, they're not really doing it longer. They're just completely retracking it, putting down all new extra track and stuff. So,
Ah, got it. Okay.
I think they said
So probably got like old or something. And
it's
they
been
cleaned it
open
up.
since like God, when did Big Thunder open? But it's been a while. It was
Wow,
time.
alright.
It was time.
Question: I was considering buying some of those. How is the performance? Yeah, like with the audio, like video recording. And all
Video
that?
is really good.
Yeah.
Like I can actually show you. Let's see, what do I got?
Nancy, these were some of the glasses that you wanted, like the video. But he got the Ray-Bans. These were the ones I was actually considering. I just haven't pulled the trigger yet.
Pull the trigger.
Trying to film.
Cause this is the video you took with the glasses.
That's me and my daughter.
Oh, this is clean. No, the definition is nice on those.
It's really.
And how long does it record for?
You can record up to 3 minutes. So
I'll take it, I guess.
all
Yeah.
you do is you hit the button, this button right here, hold it down for a video, and you click it once for a photo.
And how long, I guess, does the charge last?
Here's the battery.
So maybe what you got, maybe a couple hours at most?
The case just I'm trying to
Oh, when you
buy
put, I
it.
see.
The battery
I never
case
seen it.
charges, so it's like a built-in charger. So, but the battery life by themselves, they're not gonna last.
Going a time.
They're using
Oh, look, think of them like a.
when I'm doing stuff like this, like content creation and stuff. I'm filming a lot with them. I'll get I'll get maybe 3 or 4 out of them. So the battery life is easy. Other than that, these are the transition lenses. It's not bright enough for them to get dark. But I like
Transition mean like when the sun comes out.
when the sun comes out, they get darker. And
Now does it?
they're a little dark right
Now
now.
does that correlate well with the video? Like so, like if it's bright and sunny outside.
The lenses for the camera here, they don't change. This is
Dana?
I got it. Yeah, that's a good.
this is the camera lens. And this is the light sensor. So
Got it. There we go.
sensor.
There we go.
So, but as long as they're horrible at night, if you're gonna record video at night, they're not that great. But during the day, if you got like you saw on that one video,
It's clear.
they do pretty good during the day. So, and the AI stuff is really cool too. Like, I'll be looking at a picture or something. I'll go right in that. What am I looking for? Click on the picture, and it'll try to get.
Yeah. You'll probably use some type of image model to describe the image or whatever.
Yeah.
Nice.
So,
I can give you a little bit more, a little bit outside the battery life.
yeah,
It's still something to consider because I would imagine it's like anything.
the battery life.
It'll get better. Like I'm version 2, version 3. It'll be like
Oakley just announced theirs. They're kind of goofy. And I used to love Oakley sunglasses. I used to have a ton of Oakley. I used to love Oakley sunglasses. And then they announced their meta one, and I was like, oh, those are dangerous. So I like the
I might look them up. They're like 2 bullets or something, or just like the actual.
these ones with the transition. My wife is a cast crew. She was doing 10% discount. So that's with the discount, they were yeah. I love it. Like I've done all sorts of like stuff like this. I'm at the big outlet here, so I'm like constantly here at the parks, you know, filming the rides.
You're one of the annual pass holder people.
My wife works at Disney, so I reap the benefits.
Yeah, right, exactly.
Because I basically once you
I'm over tripping. Like I thought those were real people over there. I was like, what's wrong with me?
This is going away in about a week.
They getting rid of this?
Closing. This is where cars like.
Yeah, they said they get rid of it. They get rid of it. I didn't know that. Literally cool. You're gonna have the last true video of Content creation out there.
They're closing this boat,
They're going to replace it with something else. There's going to be something different.
but it better be better.
Well, thanks for giving me some more details on the river. You got me a little more comfortable. Like I said, outside the battery thing, with as soon as it gets better, it's just
Yeah.
there.
I noticed that I replaced it with something. Other than the battery life,
I mean, you can only improve the battery life so much from a software perspective. You know, you have to get that hardware.
when I'm here, like I'm riding a ride, I'll take them off. And it'll pump up the percentage.
Yeah. Well, that's new. You got to put battery life, quick charge. This is something you can work with.
All the things I know I'm not gonna do.
Yeah, they connect.
What's going on down there?
Like version 1, alright, we'll give
On
you
a wave.
I can always wait. Any day.
Big and sleepy.
Pretty good. Yeah.
I know this is relaxing. Ooh, the breeze is perfect. Yeah.
This isn't bad.
Real nice. I love this ride. I love it. I think this might be my favorite. Oh, man.
That's why I'm filming this thing. They're building Tom Sawyer.
That's the progress.
Daddy!
Say his name, buddy. All right, we're almost done, buddy. You ready to leave?
Oh, sorry.
No. I just want to make sure. All right, let's start heading downstairs, bud.
Yeah, her daddy not thank you. Daddy won't make
she's got family in Texas.
I've never heard of that game.
It's like north and south, northwest.
Welcome back to Liberty Square. At this time, please gather all your personal belongings and take small photo by the hand as you make your way to the very bottom deck to exit. Once again, folks, you'll be exiting on the very bottom deck of the ship, closest to the water. Watch the ship as you exit, and enjoy the rest of your day here at the Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, yeah. It's so nice here. It's refreshing. So it's
Have you hit most, if not all, of like the little, I guess, rides and everything? Yeah, the area.
I travel a lot.
I didn't know.
I'm a big Universal fan. I love all the rides. They just did that.
Yes, I heard.
I've been there a couple times. I actually run here. Check out my this is all my riverside stuff. Everything's through.
Once again, folks, this is Captain Tyler. Hoping you'll enjoy your flight around the rivers of America aboard the Liberty Belle Riverboat paddle steamer.
I have
As a reminder, you'll be exiting on that very bottom deck of the ship, closest to the water. To get there, please use any one of the 7 stairwells located throughout all 3 of our decks. But once again, you'll be exiting on that very bottom deck. Thank you.